Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TC-55 or 65 CX420 television and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now I'm going to talk about two ways to do it, but first of all there's two reasons you might want to do it. The first one is troubleshooting. If your television is not working, if it's not connecting, if it is not responding, if it's lagging or glitching, this will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to get this television set up as a new TV and have everything wiped off of it, this will do the trick. So the first way to do it is just via the setup menu. You can just hit menu on the remote and then select setup, then system, then factory default, then yes. But I really want to talk about, because your TV might not be responding, so I really want to talk about how to do this via the actual buttons. So we can do this if we just come with our television on, we come to the back and we find the volume down button, and then on the remote control we find the menu button, which is on the left just below the power button. You're just going to come and you're going to press simultaneously the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote for more than 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds is up, or more than 5 seconds is up, then you can just go ahead and unplug the television, wait a few seconds, and then you can plug it back in and turn it back on, and it will start up into its factory default settings.